Welcome to another Google Ads tutorial. In my previous video, I went over every available Google Ads extension, and in this video, I will provide some more detail on one specific automated extension, seller ratings. A seller ratings extension is the 1 to 5 star rating you sometimes see at the bottom of an ad. It can also show on organic results and on maps. Unlike most automated extensions, there is no manual setup possible for seller ratings. When you have enough official reviews, the extensions will show automatically. Before I get into the details of seller ratings, first we need to clarify some terms that advertisers often mix up. Seller ratings serve on search, and you might think you've also seen them on shopping ads, but these are product ratings or product reviews. Seller ratings are reviews of a business as a whole and serve as automated extensions. Product ratings are reviews of a specific product, and there's a different manual setup for that. Then there's another term that confuses people: customer reviews. Google Customer Reviews is a program you can sign up for that can help you gather reviews for both seller and product ratings. So how do you collect ratings and when do you have enough? While Google Customer Reviews is a Google offered program, you can also use independent aggregators such as Trustpilot. There's a list of eligible review sites in the article I'll link in the top pinned comment. If you want to use Google Customer Reviews, you need to create a Merchant Center account first. The main use of Merchant Center is shopping ads, but you don't need to run shopping ads in order to use customer reviews. There's no hard threshold, but Google claims that in general, it takes 100 reviews. Keep in mind that those need to be reviews from the past 12 months and it's country specific. So how can you check your own domain? In the same article I mentioned earlier, there's a link you can use to check if you have enough reviews for seller ratings. Now, of course, this link doesn't work, so let's try with a large US retailer, Best Buy. You can see with nearly 800 reviews, they are definitely eligible for seller ratings to show. Now, if we try to look up a large electronics store here in Portugal, Wharton, you get this notification: rating details are not available for this merchant, which means that Wharton is not eligible for seller ratings. So with this link, you can check and see if your business is eligible for seller ratings. Earlier, I mentioned it is country specific. So let's check out Nike.com. Now here we see that they have nearly 2,800 reviews, and in the URL here, you can see the country code US. So even though they are definitely eligible for seller ratings to show in the US, this doesn't mean they can also show seller ratings on their European ads. So let's check some European countries. Let's go for France, FR. And we see that they have 160 reviews, so they might be eligible for seller ratings to show in France. Now let's check the Netherlands, and they do not have a rating yet. If you are eligible for seller ratings and you want to check if they've shown, all you need to do is go to the Extensions tab under Ads and Extensions, scroll all the way down and go to Automated Extensions. If seller ratings have served, or any other automated extensions for that matter, they will be showing here. If you want to make sure you've got it turned on, you click on the 3 little dots here, go to Advanced Settings, and then open Seller Ratings or whichever automated extension you want to check. So I hope you learned something useful about seller ratings in this video, such as the difference with product ratings and the role of customer reviews. If you want to rate this video with a like, I'd appreciate it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about Google Ads. For now, have a great day and good luck collecting reviews for your business.